Good evening traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm gonna do the forecasting of all GBP pairs. Guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my next upcoming video. Firstly, I'm gonna congratulations to Mr. Boris Johnson to the appointment to be the Prime Minister of United Kingdom. So let's start with GBP. As as most of you guys knows, in London session the pound was going up, but right now it's come as you can see it's come down again. So I'm expecting this pair to come down to this my support level, then I'm gonna buy this pair and the pound will go up. First I will wait for this level. If it's break that level, the next target will be this one. If it's break this level, and I'm expecting this pair to go down at least 127. Guys, pound will not go up a lot because of the Brexit thing is gonna happen till October, so pound will be stay in pressure. So I love to trades on pound, I love to trade long term in pound, but right now we can't keep the trade for long term because pound will not go up a lot. In future it will go up. Right now the pound is on about 1.24 and it will definitely go up till 1.50, but it's gonna take time. I know people don't have a patience to hold these kind of big trades. So if you whenever you buy a pound, yeah, close your trade within 100 to 200 pips, because it will come down and we will get a chance again to buy this trade. So let's move on to GBP New Zealand. As I told you in my previous video, I was expecting pound New Zealand to go up and the exactly same thing happened, but now I'm expecting this pair is gonna retrace. This pair is gonna do this retracement, so I'm expecting this pair to come little bit down, at least this level, and I'm gonna buy again and then it will go up again. For right now there is no trade for pound New Zealand, but when it will be come down to my support level, then I'm gonna then I'm gonna buy this. As you can see guys, the trend is weak right now, so I'm expecting pound New Zealand little bit. I'm expecting pound New Zealand to come down and then it's gonna be go up. Let's move to another pair, which is pound CHF. Yeah, today pound CHF was going up again, but same thing. Right now there is no trade. I took this trade for my support, but I'm expecting pound CHF to come down a bit, at least to my first support, which is 12270. So I'm expecting pound CHF to come at least this level, then I'm gonna buy and then it will go up. Pound CHF is also go up a lot, at least 1.30 level, but still it's not gonna happen in one day. The reason why pound CHF is that much down is because as we guys knew, USD CHF was really down, like the start on 0.9790, right? Today's recover is 0.99, but let's see what's gonna happen. So I'm expecting pound CHF to come a little bit down and then I'm gonna buy pound CHF. Let's move to CHF CAD. Yeah, there is also no trade in CHF CAD, sorry, pound CAD, but it's coming down towards my support level. So I will wait for CHF CAD, so sorry, for GBP CAD, at least for my first support, and then I'm gonna buy it. It's coming down, so I'm expecting this come at least this level and then I'm gonna buy, and I'm expecting this trade to go up. And I think, I don't know, GBP JPY left. As I told you my yesterday video about GBP JPY, so we make a good profit today with that trade, because excuse me, because we bought it from our support level. That was we bought it about 1.3450 and we earn about 100 pips today. So as you guys can see, it's touch our daily resistance but it start coming down. We can sell GBPJPY, but it's a kind of risky trade. So what I will do, I will wait pound JPY to come back again to my support level, and then I'm gonna buy this. So I'm expecting this pair to come down at least this level, and then I'm gonna buy this and it will go up. There you go guys, that's the forecast of all GBP pairs. So guys, in the end, I request you a lot, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get my more videos. And guys, these are just a forecast, not signals. If you need signals, you have to join my telegram channel. There is a link in the description, so you can click that link and join me. And if you want to contact me, you can contact me on telegram at UK Pro Traders. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Cheers. Bye.